There we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we're on fire. Biggest one I've caught out of here, but what's up, y'all? James Gone Fishing. It's gonna be a quick one today. Pretty much we're going in here. It's been super hot recently, in the hundreds, but we're gonna put on this popper. I already have it on. We're gonna go up in here and see if we can get some bass. So it might be a short video, but there's usually always at least one in this hole up here. So we're gonna climb down here, see what we can get. Stay tuned. All right. Perfect. There's like two big smallies right there. All right, so we got this Hellgrammite. I'm gonna put this on here. Hopefully this gets them. Because I just seen a few of them up here. So the goal, it's the usual goal, just literally one fish. It is super calm, super peaceful right now. Oh, holy crap, there was one over there. There we go. Oh my goodness. All right, we definitely got him. Yeah. There we go. That's what I was after. Mission, well, mission not accomplished yet. Holy crap. There we go, mission accomplished, baby. This is why I came up to this creek. Woo. Mission accomplished. This is the biggest, well, not the biggest one I've caught out here, but one of the biggest for sure. Man, that is a dandy. That's giant. Measure this when I get back home. That's a good 16, 17. Holy cow. All right, well, that was a fun video, guys. Woo-wee. Let's get this guy back in the water here. Dang, that thing's a good 2 pounds, I'd say. Well, I was on a mission and accomplished the mission, guys. Let's see if we can get more. Dang, I was not expecting one that big. I knew there's I've never caught one that big this far up. Wow. He was warm though, so they're in here pretty deep. Like I said, it's been super hot recently, in the hundreds, and The fish definitely don't want to hit top water. They want to stay deep where it's cold. Okay, now we're on fire. That's another good one. He's super warm. Another nice little smallie. It's turned out to be a really great day out in this hole. Like I said, this hole usually delivers for me, and it's working out pretty good. Super awesome creek, Top Secret Creek, guys. Gotta love it. There's one. Oh yeah. Man, this creek is really loaded with them. Well, I don't usually do too good in this creek, but I don't know, this year, maybe it's just the time of the year I'm fishing. I don't know, I'm doing really good. That's 3 of them. All right, y'all, well, I didn't get this big one on camera, but they're still biting. We're just catching them really good right now. The heat, I guess the heat got them turned on. But my cameras are almost dead, so this is a farewell. As always, guys, keep on fishing. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I got about 10%. We're gonna see if I can get one more on camera. But go ahead, guys, like the video, hit the subscribe button, and let's go see if we can get some more. As always, stay fishing, guys.